Today I'm going to be reviewing EUCOS tripod. It's also a selfie stick. It's got some really cool features. I want to thank EUCOS for sending this to me to review. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. I've got it set up here to the side. Here we go. This is it. It's almost all the way up. You can see it's got a very wide stance here, so it's gonna support this really nicely. This right here is really cool. If you want to take selfies, this is just a little tool. You can take this off. Whoops, sorry. This will pair with your phone, but really cool and well thought out. I mean, look at this. To put this right there, you never lose it. Now, what's really nice is very easy to adjust. This right here, this piece right here will make it go open or shut, so you can put it bigger or smaller. This is an iPhone 12 mini. It also rotates like this, right? And it rotates like this. So on the back here, if you twist this, then it will go like this. So it has all the different movements. This one right here allows it to twist here if I do it a little bit. It won't really spin there because of the way it is, but it will have it go like that. So it really has all the movements you need. So for instance, for me, if I want to film something on the table here, it will be very easy to do it. Very easy to manipulate. You can just push it down like that, so you can get whatever size you want, all the way down to the bottom. And there you go. That's what it looks like close. You can see my hand here. So you can use it as a selfie tripod. What's really nice, this has a lifetime guarantee. If you have any problems, you just contact EUCOS. They'll take care of you, so you don't have to worry about it. It is plastic. This piece is metal. Everything else is plastic, but it's solidly built. I can definitely tell you that. And this does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.6 stars, over 17,000 reviews. And last month, September of 2025, 10,000 of these were sold. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.